Chapter 4 Linear Equations in Two Variable Part 4. Okay. We will see exercise 4.3 fourth problem. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. Read the problem. Okay. Thoroughly you have to read the problem. Then only you will understand. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. Okay. First kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. And for the subsequent distance is given. Subsequent distance. Okay. That is first kilometer is rupees 8. Thereafter, clear? Every 1 kilometer, okay, you have to calculate rupees 5. Okay, that is given. Then taking the distance covered as x kilometer, because you don't know the distance, how much distance you covered, you don't know. Clear? That's why x you take it. Then total fare given y. So here we have to calculate what total fare. So here write the linear equation for this information and you draw the graph. Okay, you see the solution. Here it is given distance covered equal to x kilometer and total fare equal to rupees y is given. Okay. So now by data, see the data problem. Okay. So total fare you have to calculate. That is y equal to how to calculate means. So whenever you hire a taxi, first kilometer they will charge rupees 8. So 8 you have to write. Okay. First kilometer charge is rupees 8. Then subsequent kilometer means total distance covered is x kilometer. Subsequent kilometer means what? Next kilometers. Okay. Thereafter 1 kilometer charge is 8 rupees. Thereafter how much you have to charge is that 1 kilometer you have to subtract from the total distance. Total distance is what? X. So 1 kilometer you subtract means x minus 1. Okay. Into this much distance. Clear? How much rupees per kilometer? 5 rupees. So into 5 rupees. Clear? Into 5 rupees. Understand this distance into this fare. How much distance you covered? X minus 1 plus 1 kilometer distance into this fare you have to multiply, which you will get. Now y equal to, you simplify this, y equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. 5x minus 5. So y equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So write 5x plus 3. This is the required linear equation in two variable. This is required linear equation in two variable. For this equation, you have to draw the graph now. Clear? Now graph means you have to put the tabular column. 3 solution you have to find. 3 solution easily you can find out. X, y. You see, you put first 0. X 0 means y is 3. This 0 you put means this full term is eliminated. So y equal to automatically 3. Now 1 you put. 1 you put means 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. Then 2, 10. That is 30. Clear? So easily we can find out the solutions. Now we have to draw the graph. For this you have to draw the graph. Here you see y axis you have to take more. Clear? That to negative, no negative numbers. So in negative part you take less. Okay. Now you see how to plot this point. X is 0, y is 3 means the point is here. Then x is 1, y is 8 here. Now x is 2, y is 13 means here. Now all the 3 points you join. So take a scale and what? All the 3 points you join it. So you will get a straight line. So this is the graph of this equation, graph of this linear equation. Graph of linear equation y equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, so easily we can draw the graph. So this is very important question for examination point of view. Clear? You practice well. See this problem. The work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. So work done is what? In physics also you studied work done by a body. Work done equal to force into displacement. Work done equal to force into displacement. Clear? Express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force. Force is given here constant. Here 5 units given. So read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. How much work done? Then 0 units. How much work done? You have to find out from the graph. Here. So anyhow, we have to frame the equation first. So work done equal to what? Force into displacement. Clear? In physics also you might have studied work done by a body. Clear? If you suppose this is some body you take. Clear? You give force means it will move. So how much distance it moves? Clear? That you have to. How much force applied? Clear? Then how much distance traveled? Clear? That is you do product means you will get work done. Okay, work done is force into displacement. First you take let the work done by y units. Let the work done be y units. Work done is units. Clear? Let the distance be x units. And the distance. How much distance? Clear? Be x units. You take constant force is given. Constant force equal to 5 units given. 5 units. It is given. Constant force is 5 units given. Okay. Now apply the formula. Work done equal to. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Work done equal to force into displacement or distance. Displacement is distance. Okay. This formula you have to remember. You have to apply this formula. Okay. Now here work done is y. Work done is y. Y is equal to force 5. Then distance is x. 5 into x is 5x. Y equal to 5x. Okay. So this is required linear equation. For this you have to draw the graph. Okay. So here there is no constant term. Means definitely for the line will pass through the origin. Clear? Now you draw the tabular column. Very simple. X, Y, 3 solution you have to find out. Okay. When x is 0, when x is 0, 5 into 0, 0. Y also 0. When x is 1, 5 into 1, 5. When x is 2, 10. That's also 3 solution easily we can find out. Now you have to plot in the graph. Y dash, x dash. How to plot? Here you see 0, 0 is origin, 1 point. 0, 0 is 1 point. Okay. Now 1 comma 5. 1 is here, 5 here. 1 comma 5. Okay. Then 2 comma 10. 2 then 10 here. Then you join all the points. Okay. Now to read from the graph, find out the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. 2 units. Okay, what is the work done for 2 units? 10. Work done is 10. So you write for 2 units, work done equal to 10 units. Work done equal to 10 units. Okay. And second, for 0 units, it's very clear. For 0 unit, for 0, it is 0 only. Okay. Work done is 0. 0 units. Work done is 0 units. That's all. Clear? This is the answer. Okay. So very simple only. You have to frame the equation. For that, you should know the formula. Work done equal to force into displacement. That is distance. Okay. Y equal to 5x. Then tabular column. Okay. Find out the solutions. Then plot the points on the graph. Then draw the straight line. Means you will get the answer. Okay. You see this problem. Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. You know very well what is Prime Minister Relief Fund. Clear? You see, to help the earthquake victims. Clear? Write a linear equation which this data satisfies. Then draw the graph of the same. Clear? First, you have to frame the linear equation in 2 variables. Clear? Here you don't know what is the contribution of Yamini and Fatima. So you have to let the contribution, okay, of Yamini be rupees X. Be first Yamini. Let the Yamini's contribution be rupees X. Okay, and Fatima's contribution be rupees Y. Rupees Y. Now by data, see here clearly given together they are contributing rupees 100. That means both contributing X plus Y. X plus Y equal to 100. So this is required linear equation. Now for this you have to find out the solution. So Y equal to 100 minus X. Always keep Y left side. Okay. For this you have to find out the solution first. Okay. You what? Meaningfully you give the values. Clear? First what? X 20 rupees contributing means, so Y will be 80. Okay. Then 40 rupees in 20s you write, that is better for Y plotting. It is better 20. You write 20, 40, 60. 40 rupees contributing means here how much? 60. Okay, so here 40 means 100 minus 40, 60. Then 60 rupees contributing means 100 minus 60, here 40. 100 minus 60, 40. So like this easily we can calculate the uh, solutions. You see, this is the graph. There is no question of negative. So that what you no need to write. Clear, only positive you write. Okay. So I am taking here x-axis. X-axis what? 1 unit equal to 20. Okay, 20 rupees. Same way, y-axis also 1 unit is 20 rupees I am taking. Clear? 20, 40 like that you take. So that you can easily plot. Now 20, 80. 20 is 80 here. Okay. Now 40 is 60. 40 is 60 here. Now 60 is 40. 60 is 40. Correct. Okay, in the graph you will get very correctly. Now all join all. Do it in the graph sheet. Do it in the graph sheet. Then you paste it. Okay. So this is the straight line. Okay. This is a straight line for this equation. Y equal to 100 minus x. Okay. Here you write the scaling. X-axis 1 unit equal to rupees 20. Y-axis 1 unit equal to rupees 20. Clear? So like this I will give some more problem as homework. You do the homework for better practice. Clear? So in the graph, what you have to do the graph in the graph sheet, then you paste it. Clear?